My name is Elizabeth Baca. My student ID number is 2887777, and this is my AVMA video project for the spring semester of 2017. In this video, I will be showing you how to clip your dog's nails. The supplies you will need are dog-specific nail clippers and a styptic powder, which helps stop the bleeding if you happen to cut the quick. If you don't have styptic powder, you can use flour or cornstarch. In this case, I will be using flour. So Milo here will be helping us with this demonstration. I have him on the floor because he's a bigger dog and he won't fit on the table or counter. Sit, Milo, good boy. So I will be showing you where the quick is on his nail. Good boy, come here. He has one clear dew claw, and as you can see, this triangular red area at the base of the nail is the quick, and it contains blood vessels and nerves to the nail. So we will get our nails and our nail clippers in one hand, and I will kind of have him in a position with my arm around his neck so he can't get his head in front of me and I can't see. Good boy, Milo, good boy. So we'll take his paw, we'll take his back paw, and if they have long fur, you can push back the hair with your thumb. So you'll press lightly on the pad to extend their nails like this, and then I will take the nail and clip. And with his dark nails, we're just going to chisel a little bit at a time so we don't get his quick. It's okay, Milo, good boy. Good boy, come here. And a little bit more. Good boy, Milo. And there we see we did not get the quick on his nails. If we do happen to cut the quick, what we do is we take a little bit of our powder between our fingers and we'll simply press the powder on the nail, and that will help stop the bleeding. And that is how you cut your dog's nails. In this video, I will be showing you how to clip your cat's nails. The supplies you will need are cat nail clippers, or if you don't have cat nail clippers, you can use human nail clippers. You just have to turn them vertically when you clip their nails. The next thing you need is styptic powder, which helps stop the bleeding if you happen to cut the cat's quick. If you don't have any styptic powder, you can use an alternative such as flour or cornstarch. Now, what this does, if we do happen to cut their quick, all you do is take the cat's paw with the nail and dip it into the powder, caking the nail to help stop bleeding. So here we have Tom and my cousin Daniel who will be helping me restrain Tom. So what he's going to do is what's called scruffing. He will take the cat's neck skin, okay, and he's holding Tom to the side. This will help him to not bite me. So up here on his nails, all we do is gently express the nail out because cat's nails are retractable. And here is where their quick is. The quick is this red triangular area at the base of their nail that contains blood vessels and nerves. So if we cut it, it will be very uncomfortable and it will cause bleeding. So what you'll do, you'll get your clippers and you'll express the nail out. Take the clippers vertically if you have human clippers. And then all you do is clip, get their other nail, and clip their other one, expressing it out, clipping it, and then the last nail, and there we go. And that is how you trim your cat's nails. In this video, I will show you how to give a pill to your dog by hand. This little treat will be our pill. Milo here will be helping us in this demonstration. So I have Milo in front of me where he can't back up, so I have my leg sort of at an angle and he's cornered into it. So when I give him the pill, he won't be able to back out from me. What I want to do is have the pill between my thumb and index finger. With my other hand, I will make a C shape, place it over the top of his muzzle behind his canine teeth. With the pill finger, take your middle finger, place the pill as far back in the throat, close the mouth, and stroke the throat to encourage swallowing. Good boy. A good indicator that they've swallowed is when they lick their nose. Sometimes they don't do that, so you'll just have to check that he swallowed the pill. Good boy, Milo. Okay, good boy. And he has swallowed his pill, and that is how you give a pill to your dog by hand. In this video, I will be showing you how to give your cat a pill by hand. Tom here will be helping us with this demonstration, and this little treat will be our pill. The first thing you want to do is get your cat in a restraint so you can have control over him. What I will be using is a towel, and I will take one corner of the towel, bring it around his body, get the other corner of the towel, wrap it under his neck and over the other end of his body. That way we have him in a position where he can't scratch us. So what we'll do is we'll take the pill between our thumb and index finger. With our other hand, we will grasp the head on the cheekbones and lift his head up. Good boy. What we'll do is take our middle finger, pry the jaw open, place the pill in the back of the throat, close the mouth, and rub the throat to encourage swallowing. Good boy, Tom. There we go. Good boy. He swallowed the pill, and that is how you give your cat a pill by hand. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to do a free catch of urine for a dog. The equipment you will need is either a sterile soup ladle or a sterile shallow tray. I will be using the tray, and Milo here will be providing the urine. So to do this, we will walk our dog and encourage him to urinate. Once he's begun, we will catch the urine midstream, which means we will wait about a second for the urine to get rid of any bacteria that we don't want in our sample, and then we'll go in to collect. It's a good idea to stay close behind your dog so you don't startle him when you go in to collect. All right, Milo, come on. Come on, Milo. There we go. This is our urine sample, and that is how you do a free catch of urine for a dog. In this video, I will be teaching you how to apply a gauze muzzle on your dog. The supplies you will need is a roll of gauze. It depends on if your dog is a smaller dog, you can use a 1-inch gauze, or if you have a larger dog, you can use a 2-inch gauze. I will be using the 2-inch gauze because Milo here is about a medium size, so 2 inches will fit snugly around his muzzle. So if you have a smaller dog, you can work on a table, or if you have a larger dog like Milo, you can work on the floor. So to get started, have your dog in either a sitting or lying down position. It's important to work from behind your dog so you're not bringing things in front of its face and startling him. So to make our muzzle, we're going to have about an arm's wingspan length of gauze. We're going to take the gauze and make a large loop, just like this. So we're going to drape the gauze over their head and under their muzzle. We're then going to pull the gauze snug over the top of the muzzle. Come here, Milo, good boy. And under the muzzle, we're crisscrossing the strands. Good boy, good boy. Good boy. And bringing it behind the head and tying a quick release bow. As you can see, Milo cannot open his mouth, so it is securely placed. And this is a quick release bow, which we can easily pull the string and release the muzzle. And that is how you apply a gauze muzzle on a dog.